Hi guys, welcome to another Source Sounds video. Here we've got a brand new, there's only a few hundred miles on the clock, Ford Transit Custom. This is a hybrid electric vehicle, as you can see on the little patch on the corner of the bumper there. Now what the customer came in for this for was, first and foremost, it's a 5-seater vehicle, so there's 2 seats in the front and obviously there's a bench seat in the rear. This only had a front component, so it had a door woofer and tweeter. Sounded really bad, truthfully, and for such an expensive vehicle, I mean, I think this is about 50,000 quid plus VAT something. It's quite an expensive vehicle, and just sounded really poor. The gentleman had far better systems in the past and wanted us to do something. So what we've done is we've done an Audison APF 8.9-bit amplifier, and we've done some Hertz Cento front components running fully active and Hertz Cento coaxes in the bulkhead, which I'll show you shortly. But this sounds way better. Also, we've done some trick stuff with coding in the vehicle, but what I'm going to do is I'll show you what we've done, where we've been, and unfortunately can't do a video of how it sounds, but just take it from us, it sounds amazing in relation to how the factory system sounded. We've even seen some of these as well with Bang & Olufsen, which is the upgraded one, which I think is about £800 option, but they even sound just as bad, and that's got a sub and an amp. So I'll talk you through what we're doing now and show you. Okay, so this is the woofer location. So there's the door woofer, and this is just a stock location. One of the things that is really important, I hadn't actually shown you, but I will do now, is you heard that door when it closed. It's really a lot better because we've put a lot of soundproofing in the door. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to tap on this front door here, and you can hear that's really solid sounding, whereas if I tap on this rear door, it sounds like a metal drum. Now we have obviously not soundproofed that because we've put our speakers in the bulkhead. So as you can see, the door is prepared much better for a much better sound, much more solid. Now I'll show you the tweeter location. So the tweeter location is here on the top of the dash. This doesn't have a centre channel, so there's the woofer and tweeter. So I'll get in the back and I'll talk you through the upgrade we've done here. So these are the speakers in the bulkhead, and again, really nice placement for them. The factory speakers would normally go there in the door, but because this vehicle didn't have speakers fitted to standard, there's no speaker wires, there's no wiring actually out of the head unit. However, we have managed to code the head unit to give us a fade. So I'm going to show you in the back of the van now, because obviously you can then see sort of what we've done in relation to how we've fitted the speakers. So here we go. So this is the speakers in the rear, and apologies for the light, there we go, that's a little bit better, but you can see how they fit. We've done the wires up out the way, so again really nice. We've also added some soundproofing onto the bulkhead, because again it's a plastic bulkhead and would be a bit ringy without that. So I'll get inside the vehicle and I'll talk you through the rest of the bits and bobs. Now, the problem that we had with the stereo on this vehicle is it just sounded really poor. Only did have the 2 speakers. We've managed to do some coding on this vehicle and give additional fading. We've also coded the vehicle or done some work on the EQ to flatten out the signal, so it just sounds so much better. But basically what the thing is with these vehicles is the infotainment system, or the connectivity through your obviously steering wheel, your clocks, the display here is far much better than before. Unfortunately, what's happened is the equipment that was fitted, the audio equipment, is just average at best, if I'm being honest. And to be honest, from what our customers are saying, they think it's really bad. So for further information on upgrading your vehicle, give the specialists at Source a call on 0114 257 1550. Thank you for watching.